Hey guys, and welcome on in for today's video where I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can send money to your friend or family's PayPal account through your PayPal account without incurring a fee. And essentially to accomplish this, you need to make sure that you're sending the money either from your PayPal cash balance, so the money in your PayPal account, or from your PayPal checking account. If you go through a credit card, for instance, you're likely to incur a fee. And then also your friend or family member is going to need to be inside the United States themselves with their PayPal account. If it's an international PayPal account, then you are going to incur a fee. And on their website, PayPal lists it as a 5% fee with a minimum of 99 cents and a maximum of $4.99 on that particular fee. So we're going to walk through this process here. So we're right on my main page of my PayPal account after I logged in. So at the top, I'm going to click on Send and Request. And then it should right away have us in that Send tab. And then in this box down here, you need to type in either the name of the person, their username, the email associated with their PayPal account, or the mobile number that is associated with their PayPal account. And you should be able to find them through those means. So I'm going to enter in an email here so I can move on to the next page. All right, so after I typed in the email of the person that I want to send money to, I need to enter the amount that I want to send here. And this is going to be in US dollars, but you can change the currency right here. But let's just say we're going to send 20 bucks. And then this is a really important area. So if you're actually paying for a good or a service, you don't want to change this particular area because that will give you more protections on sending this money. Now, if you want to send it without incurring a fee on either end of this transaction, then you want to go ahead and click Change right here. And then go ahead and click on the box that says Sending to a Friend. So there's going to be no fee to use bank or PayPal cash balance to send to friends and family in the United States. So that is the option we're going to click. And then it'll give you a bunch of different options on how you want to pay this $20 that you're going to be sending, or at least that's the example in this instance for me. And there's a $0 fee if it is my PayPal cash balance. There's also a $0 fee if it's going to be through my Aspiration bank account. However, if I use my American Express credit card or my MasterCard debit card, then in each instance, there is going to be a fee on that. So you need to pick which option that is most beneficial to yourself. And then after you do that, go ahead and click on the next option at the bottom of the page. So then it'll take you to the last page here where it shows you how much you're going to be transferring in from what source, what fee is associated with this transfer. And since I'm using the cash in my PayPal account, it's going to be a $0 fee, and then what you'll pay in total, which in this instance is going to be 20 bucks. And then you can go ahead and click Send Payment now, and then as long as everything checks out, you should be good to go, and that transfer should go through. So I hope this video was helpful in terms of how to send money from your PayPal account to a friend or family without incurring a fee. For more of this type of content in the future, please consider clicking that subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.